Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you are all doing well today. I have some finished products to share with you. These were canvases that were sent to me by FG Normal back in late August. I will put the link to my video, the unboxing, and also the link to all of the canvases that I'm showing you down below in the description box. So my video was posted August 20th. And I finally just completed, the last one was this big one down at the bottom here. The other two were pretty quick, so I will show you guys, but I also have all of the extra drills to share with you too. And I am doing this without my big light on. I'm hoping that this is gonna help with the sparkle. We'll see. They're a little bit of a shadow because I have my window beside me, but yeah. Let's see. So, the first canvas that I'm going to show you is this super cute little unicorn. This is advertised as a 30 by 30, but again, it is slightly smaller on the drill field. It's a 24 by 24. This one worked up super fast, and I have to say with all of these canvases, the drills from FG Normal are really good. I did not have any issues. I barely had any trash. I don't generally keep the trash from these ones to show you guys, just because really trash is trash. I don't have the space to hang on to all of these little things, but honestly, I don't think there really was anything. Other than different colors that get mixed in with the drills. That happens a lot with these strip packagings. Yeah, so everything has worked up really nicely. Go really close so you guys can see. The colors are really nice and bright. The image itself is adorable. It's going to be really cute framed up for a little girl's room. The word stands out. You can tell it says cute. I might switch out maybe this drill here and that drill there. Let's actually do that together. I can just find a pen. Let me grab the drills for that one. So here they are here in my storage container. We did have just a tiny bit extra for each of the colors, so no worries that we were running out at all. And then obviously the background color is the one that I had the most left over. It's hard to show you guys there, but pretty much half of that container is still left over of the background color. So let me try and zoom in. Don't want to zoom in too far that I lose you guys, but basically this one here, to complete, get out of there, to complete that line across, and the black is number 3 here. So there you can see the bottom of the E a lot better, and then I'm going to take out this top one here. And this one is a little bit darker inside here because it's like a shadow. I'm gonna replace it with that light yellow so that the inside is a little brighter. Hard to pick up on my table. There, what do you think? Does that look more like an E? And maybe actually gonna take this out. That one there, because it's making that look like it's a dotted I, which it's not. There you go. What do you guys think? A lot cuter, huh? So there is the word cute. So let me zoom back out, in, out. There we go. And that's how you can fix up your words. So again, just a tiny bit of drills left over for each color. These ones were these ones were DMC codes. So they did have DMC codes on the canvas. So if I do want to save them, I can. I have so many now that really, I don't generally use them a lot. Yeah, so this was the background color. I had 4 containers and I have half of one left. So that's really good. So that's the first one. And this one was $8.54 Canadian. 4.99 pounds is the price that they list for pounds. But super cute, nice and sparkly, which I don't know if you guys are gonna get to see in here. Sorry, so frustrating. The next one, this was one I chose for my family because we're big Star Wars fans. Baby Yoda. He's so cute. Now, he does look really good looking at him in the camera, but up close, his face is a little bit of a mess. It's very pixely, but diamond paintings are meant to be looked at from afar. Again, super sparkly, great drills. This one went super fast. The colors are really nice because it's definitely from the show, The Mandalorian. Drills. Again, I used one of these same containers, and we have every single color left over. The ones that are empty were doubles, so I had doubles of those colors, and tons left over in all of them. And again, no trashy drills. It was more just colors mixed in with the wrong color. Everything looks really nice. I would say so far FG Normal is probably my favorite of all the companies that they sent me. Super cute. And this one was the 30 by 40, but it's slightly smaller due to the border. We have 24 by 34. So awesome. It's gonna be so cute. And the last one that I have to share with you, this was what took me so long to finish to get this video posted for you guys. This is the Chickadee. Now, let me make sure I am zoomed out all the way. Nope, too far. You don't need to see all that. There we go. So pretty. It was monotonous though with all of the blue, and a little bit hard because of these dark blue colors. I really had to focus my eyes on it, and obviously I generally diamond paint at night when I'm already a little bit tired. So it was a little bit frustrating. This one also does have the DMC code, so that is really nice. I think it turned out really pretty. I don't know how I'm going to frame it though. It's an 80 by 30, but again, with the border, it's 74 and probably 24. Yeah, 24. 74 by 24, but the drills were really good quality. They stuck really nicely to the canvas. I've already brushed over all of these with my nail brush. That's how I clean them. I brush them off because I do have a cat, so we have cat fur, and my hair likes to fall out and stick to the canvas. So I do that, and then I wipe it down with a baby wipe just to get them shiny again. And yeah, I think it turned out really nice. Look at that sparkle as I go across. Ooh. The colors are really pretty, and lots of extras. You can see the blue colors, the background blues. I actually had a whole full extra package of 3768. That is this dark blue, that's the majority of it. I had a full extra package of that one. Sorry if you can hear my son laughing. This was a duplicate color. That's actually the one that I had a lot of leftovers for. So I did purchase more paintings from them recently. This is a full one of that color. And that's where I got some square drills. So I'm gonna work one of those up so you guys can see what the square drills are like for FG Normal. But from the ones that they sent me here, oh, sorry, and price-wise, the Mandalorian one, sorry, the child Yoda, Baby Yoda, was also $8.54 for the 30 by 40. And then this, they call it Spring Branch Bird, full round, 80 by 30 is $17.10. So that is the price for that one. And oh, I don't have a coupon code, but Natalia Lovecraft Forever does have a 10% coupon code. So I will actually put that in the link down below for you. And again, I will link my unboxing video and also the links to the specific paintings so that you guys can find them nice and fast and easy. All right, so that's it. FG Normal, 2 thumbs up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.